Are you ready for your first question?
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. Are flowers plants?
Yes.
All right, that is correct. For your first prize, you get an automotive plastic fastener kit.
Automatic plastic fastener. Automatic.
Are you ready for your second question?
Yes, sir.
Let's get after this. For your second question, are rocks found in rivers?
Yeah.
That is correct. For your second prize, you get an adjustable wrench.
Just for rich. They rich. Third question.
Are you ready for your third and final question?
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. What is the curb weight of the Belaz 75 710?
A ton?
It is a ton. Your final answer.
Yes.
Okay, that is incorrect. The correct answer is 360,000 kilograms or 793,644 pounds. Thank you so much for playing.
Yeah, nice game. I can dig it.